Welcome back to another week of Stocks in Review for the upcoming week. In this special edition, besides reviewing suggestions for next week and news that can affect your investments, for every week of October, we're going to take a look at some of the spookiest stocks of recent memory. Stocks that have caused financial havoc on thousands of investors, and some that to this day still have quite the following or a lot of bag holders. Wildfires in California have killed at least 31 people, displaced thousands from their homes, and now covers an area as large as New York City and continues to get larger. Over 2,000 homes and businesses are gone. In Federal Reserve news, the odds are up to 90% now that the central bank will raise rates at their December meeting. And late Thursday, the president signed an executive order that will halt Obamacare subsidies and allow people more flexibility when choosing health insurance plans. Watch for more in the weeks to come. In cryptocurrency news, Bitcoin has reached historic levels. As of 11 p.m. on the eve of Friday the 13th, Bitcoin surpassed the $5,800 mark per coin. It was up nearly $900 in one day. Experts believe that varying responses on how to regulate it has a lot to do with the rise in value. For the week, Bitcoin was up over $1,300. Ethereum, which I'm happy to be out of, was up just $1 for the week, and Litecoin was up nearly 5 times that amount at $4.75 a coin. Investors and analysts alike believe that the bull will keep running at least through to the end of the month. A quick look at our ETFs show that all three are still up. FBT closed Thursday at $125.96 a share. MCHI at $65.38 a share. And SPXL, my favorite, at $39.80 a share. So they're all looking really well. If you invested in any of the stocks that I recommended last week, you'd know that Tenex Therapeutics went up the next trading day a whopping 12.6%. Northern Dynasty Minerals jumped this week another 11.5%. And TRXC was up 2% this trading week. On watch for the coming week, we have AUPH, NAK, HTGM, and TENX. The big conference for Aurinia Pharmaceuticals is October 20th, and more indications are expected to be released in advance of that. Northern Dynasty continues to appreciate this week, and some key staffing appointments were made, which indicates that things are moving in the right direction. At HTGM, there's been some very bullish activity this week, and the frequency of this is becoming quite noticeable. Earnings will be out in less than a month, so I'd watch this one close. Tenex has been quite volatile, as well as having higher highs and higher lows. A new stock that I wanted to bring to your attention that was at an all-time high of $50 a share just a few years ago is Synchronoss Technologies, ticker symbol SNCR. This company has its headquarters in Bridgewater, New Jersey. It employs nearly 1,800 people. This technology company provides cloud solutions and software-based activation services to strategic partners and directly through its sales force. The main catalyst right now is the high likelihood that Cirrus Capital, who just resumed talks with Synchronoss, have agreed to raise its offer and to a period of limited exclusivity in 48-hour increments. These are renewable if both sides are acting in good faith. This could jump anywhere from $4 to $7 a share in less than 10 days. I suggest that you do some due diligence and see for yourself. I think this one will happen though, based on all the research that I've done. Our third spooky stock of our month-long series is Southwestern Energy Company, ticker symbol SWN. If a company received awards for having a ton of bad press year after year, SWN might just win it. This Texas company is an independent natural gas and oil firm that's involved in exploration, development, and production activities. The stock hit a high of $48.30 in December of 2009, and it hit the $40 range only 5 times since 1987. That's 30 years. The company has historically had a high debt management risk, weak operating cash flow, deteriorating net income, and disappointing return on equity. Overall, a disappointing historical performance in the stock itself compared to its peers. It's one of the worst stock performers in its peer group, and it has been for ages. I could only suggest a significant change in its senior management to help make a difference. Please remember, investing in stocks carries risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose or not have access to for an extended period of time. If you enjoy our videos, we appreciate if you could click like and subscribe. Have a great day, and we'll see you next week.